Hello, everyone, and welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News for a Tuesday night. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather, and we're going to talk about cold temperatures. Folks, it's going to get cold again. We're looking at possibly near 40 degrees this weekend, below zero. So start making your preparations, get your cars in good shape, make sure the kids have got plenty of the right clothing and your animals are inside. And it's going to last until at least Monday, the way it looks right now. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph tonight, you got to go all the way down here to see Mount McKinley in the distance. This is sent in by Ron Plummer. A nice sunset. But again, if you have a photo you want to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. What do the numbers look like? 11 degrees below zero after a high of 10 below. The low last night, 28 degrees below zero. Record high 39 in 1941. Record low 58 below in 1947. Sunrise this morning almost at 9:30 and the sunset at 4:45 this afternoon, giving us 7 hours and 17 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And our satellite and radar showing the state clearing out basically of all clouds. Everything moving off to the east because high pressure is building in and pushing all the clouds away. That high pressure is also helping bring a lot of cold air in from the polar north. That's where we're getting cold temperatures. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, a little rain and snow activity around Ketchikan, clear skies at Juneau, all the way over to the Anchorage Bowl, right on down to Kodiak Island and Cold Bay, up and down the west coast. It's all going to be this way for the next few days. Clear skies, maybe a few clouds up on the north slope, 16 below at Barrow, and 22 below at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, once again, more rain falling across the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to continue with the new storm system moving in. While the other folks are clearing out across the central and northern plains, more rain falling across the deep south and over the northeast. On the satellite and radar, you can see again the frozen precipitation indicated by the pink color. Down to the south, it is red and green, or I should say green and yellow. And then out to the west, again, more rain moving ashore. And this rain is moving all the way down the coastline, expected to bring with it very heavy rainfall totals. You see 4 to 5 inches around parts of Northern California, then down around the San Francisco Bay Area, 2 to 3 inches. And they need the rainfall. They've been going through a drought situation, so it's kind of a blessing in disguise. On the jet stream, once again, the arrow indicating the cold air being pulled across the northeast. More snow on the horizon for those folks, not good news. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern section. Sunny skies at Barrow, scattered clouds at Nome, and also at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at high clouds for Fairbanks, Healy, and Delta Junction. While over the southeast, once again, a mixed bag. Increasing clouds for Juneau, a chance of mixed rain and snow for Ketchikan. Over to the southwest part of the state, it looks like Cold Bay will see rain, sunshine at Bethel, and cloudy skies at Kodiak. And if you're heading on down to the Anchorage area, we're looking at, for the most part, sunny skies across the region with morning fog in Anchorage and Homer. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. And all this week, we're going to be talking with the kids from University Park Elementary School. Tonight, here's a young lady with a picture to share.
My name is Angel. I'm in Miss Heine's 3rd grade class. I drew this picture because I enjoy rain, and it's my favorite thing to do outside when it's raining.
Angel, you're not going to see your rainfall till about April, the way it looks right now. Thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And tomorrow night, we'll have a young man here with a very interesting question. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 27 degrees below zero, scattered high clouds, quite a bit colder than last night. Tomorrow's forecast starting off at 9 degrees below zero and then dropping like a rock as that cold air starts moving in. And there's the bad news on the 5-day outlook. Temperatures near 40 below by Saturday and Sunday night. Then a little bit of a reprieve as somewhat warmer air starts working its way back in by Monday. Still very, very cold, and ice fog is very likely this weekend. So this weekend might be a good weekend to stay inside and watch videos or do something with the kids or something, but because not going outside, it's going to be too cold.